Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can add your Facebook account in Threads app. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So that's why I'm going to click Threads. So you need to click Threads and you must download this, install this in your device, and then click here the human icon. You can see this option, so simply click on this. Once you click on this, then you'll get here the edit profile. You can see edit profile, so simply click on edit profile. So once you click edit profile, then here you'll get the third option on your screen, link. So simply click link. Once you click link, then you have to give your username here. So for example, http, or you can simply you can give simply www.facebook.com and then slash and give your username here. So I'm just giving my Facebook username and then simply click OK. So once you click there, then your Facebook link will be added here, and click done again. You can see the top right corner, simply click done. So once you click done, then your Facebook profile will be added there. So when someone click here, then they will go to your Facebook page. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching the video.